Adding an assignment to Moodle. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the page that you wish to add an assignment to. So in this instance, I'm using FE template. Next, switch on editing mode using this green button up here. Once it turns red, you know you're in editing mode. Scroll to the position you want the assignment to appear. I want it to be underneath these here. And then click Add an activity or resource. The first option in the list is assignment, so we will click that, followed by add. I'm now given a lot of options to fill in, so we will start with the basics, assignment name. If you like, you can add a description of the assignment. If you do add a description, you probably want to tick this checkbox for displaying the description on the page. The next option in the list is for adding additional files. For example, if there was a list of questions you wanted to attach to the assignment, or a worksheet to help them work through the assignment, you can add it here just navigating to the files. The availability options allow you to set when the assignment is available. So for example, we could say the start date of the assignment is the 20th of June and the due date is the 20th of July. The cutoff date would be the last day that the assignment will accept submissions. So if you were to allow late submissions, you could enable this and set a date there. The final one is just a reminder for when you need to grade the assignment. Submission types. These options change what the students can submit for their assignment. Online text would just allow them to type into a box on the website itself, whereas file submissions would allow them to submit, for example, a Word document or a PowerPoint presentation to the assignment. You can limit it to just individual types of files, for example, Word documents, but you probably don't need to, so you can leave these all blank. There are many other options, most of which can be safely ignored. If you ever want additional information on any of the options, you can click the question mark next to that particular option. The final options that may be of interest are under grade. Here you can choose how the assignment is graded. For example, it's currently defaulted to points out of 100, but if I wish, I could change the type to scale, selecting the appropriate scale for my qualification. Once you are happy with the settings you have selected, click Save and return to course. And there we go, my assignment is now here. Clicking on this as the tutor allows me to view all the submissions that have currently been put in and grade them.